Hello guys, how are you? My name is Aryan and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third part of tutorial series in which we will learn how to make a Android car system and we will design a game little bit. If you are watching my video first time, so make sure to watch our previous videos. Otherwise you will not able to understand what is happening over here. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so I have imported the standard sets car and we want to move this with Android. So I will search for simple input system I have imported in the package. So go to here and search for steering wheel and drag and drop the steering wheel over here. Just drag and drop over here. As you can see, the steering wheel is behind the joystick, so we have drag and drop it over here, and make sure to disable all that stuff. And go to main camera, also disable this. We want to make a new camera for car. Alright, so make a camera and move it a little bit back and little bit I think up. Okay, it back more, and here it is looking cool. Rotate it a little bit. And this is temporary camera. We will make a sun machine camera in the next video, so we just want to test it. Just go to your UI canvas, and you know it is looking really smaller, so I will increase the size of steering wheel. And you have to just go to car and car user control and edit the script. Here you have to just simply exchange the cross-platform input to simple input. Again, simple input. So in this way we will control the car with the steering wheel. So let's test our game whether it is working or not. I'm going to play the game right now. Let's go to near the car wheels because we want to test the wheels, and go near here we can test our car wheels. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, I'm going to, and yeah, it's working. Cool. So it is time to make two buttons for forward and backward. Let's create an empty and call it car UI. And drag and drop your steering wheel into car UI. Make a new button over here, UI, and create a new button. Make it a little bit big. And delete the text right now because we don't want text in it. We will use sprite in it. Okay, here it is looking here it is looking good. Duplicate it, and we want a brake button and a forward button. Forward, and other one is backward. Okay. Alright, so I have imported some buttons here. As you can see, these are 4 buttons. Make sure to make it sprite 2D and UI. I will give you a link in the description box below of these buttons. And select your forward button and drag and drop this button over here. We will use this button for forward and this one for backward. Okay, so I think backward should be left and forward should be right. Here, make it a little bit big and little bit up. Okay, it is looking cool here. Also make backward to big, and here it is looking good. So what you need to do, you need to click on your forward button, and we will use this button when button will press. We will use these sprites. Here we have to put our sprite. Okay, for backward, again choose this option and drag and drop your sprite over here. Let's test the game whether it is working or not. Okay, it's working. Cool. So it is time to write a script for this control, because whenever we will press the button, we will move the car, right? So it's time to write that script. So as you can see, I have to write the script, and I will click on car and go to car controller or call user control. Here I have to create 4 types of variables. Create these variables. For now we don't want this steer variable, and let's make these things to commits. Putting these two slash make our script to commit. Okay, here we have to put our variables which we make. Here you have to put axle. So we don't want steer, so I will make it also commit, and here we have to put axle. Also this one to, I think, axle or brake. Okay, let's test the game right now. We will not use these. Let's test the game right now whether it is working or not. Before playing game we have to click on our forward button. Click on forward, or yeah, I told you we have to write this to axle. I was making mistake. Okay, alright, so we have to click on forward button. Click on your forward and search for event trigger. Event trigger. Add event trigger for on pointer enter, on pointer down, and on pointer up, also on pointer exit. Okay, do this for all triggers, and drag and drop your car into all functions. These functions or triggers. I'm doing this for all functions, and let's go to function and select your axle input. Again, function and axle input. Here you have to change the values to 1 and 1, and other two will be 0. And let's test the game whether it is working or not. Okay, let's test the game. Oh, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. We have to find the error. Okay, I don't know what is the problem with it. Let's check our, I think we should remove these two functions from here, or triggers from here. Don't really know what is happening or where is script error. I think I don't know why it is not working. It should work. Let's play the game again and let's check whether it's working or not. It's not working. Alright, I skipped the video and I deleted two functions from here and also change the script, and I make these two things to commits. You can see the script, and here we have to make a break function for our game. I will give you the script link in the description box below. You can just simply drag and drop this script or use this script in your standard car. So we have to make a function for our break. So I will click on backward, and I will copy that two functions from forward button and paste it over here, right, and paste values, and I will change the function to break input, and also here to break input. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not. Alright, so it is working, and have a nice break. Okay, we can control our car, but we are facing problem whenever we will break the car, it is not working again. So we have to set this problem. I think we should change it to -1, maybe it works, and let's see whether it is working or not. Alright, so no, it's not working. Nothing is happening over here. Okay, so let's play the game again and check it again. Alright, brake is good, but it do the handbrake, which we don't want. So we have to change the script. Okay, we should go to car and go to car controller. Here we have to find the brake torque. Where it is? Let me find where is brake torque. Alright, here it is. We have to make a else function over here. Else, and make a new function over here. And you should copy these two lines. First of all, copy this line and paste it over here and make it equal to 0. Also copy this thing and paste it over here and make it equal to 0. Equal. Alright, so I hope it will work. I'm going to play the game right now and let's test the game whether it is working or not. I hope it works, and it should work. And so it's working. Wow. So it is time to drive the car and enjoy. Alright, go back to our little city, industrial city. Alright, we have to change the car mesh because it is not looking cool. I have imported the car. I will give you a link in the description box below. So I think yellow one is looking cool. I will drag and drop it over here and unpack prefab it completely, and also this one unpack prefab it completely and drag and drop your car into it. Okay, and I think drag and drop this car into our standard assessed car. I'm going to position it. You can follow my steps. Make sure you have set wheels according to that car. Let's drag and drop car over here and make it a little bit big. Make our standard assessed car a little bit big. Okay, move it a little bit up. Here it is looking good. So drag and drop your car into it, and yeah, good here. So we have to drag and drop our car into sky car, and we have to disable the sky car body, and also sky car everything is disable all things, but do not disable these 4 wheels for now. Alright, so we have to change the car mesh wheels right now. So I will click on car and go to, I think, here mesh wheels, wheel meshes, and exchange the car wheels. So here it is front right wheel, and I will drag and drop this over here and do this for all wheels. This is over here and this one over here. Okay, let's play the game right now. I think it should work. And now I think we have to disable these guys over here from here. Alright, so let's play the game right now and let's see whether it's working or not. Move a little bit here on light and play the game right now. Okay, I'm going to play the game, and as you can see, the wheels are outside of car and we don't want this. These are looking too bad, and you know, it is really ugly thing and not looking cool. So we have to change this. How can we change this? I'll just go to collider and delete this from here, or delete it permanently, and go to wheel hubs and select anyone, and move it little bit here and little bit up. Okay, and here it is looking good, and move it here in middle of wheel, and do this for all wheels. Alright, so I'm going to play the game right now and let's see how it looks like. So what is this? This is dancing and we don't want this dance, so for this we have to, I think, click on our car body, click here and add mesh collider and make sure to click on convex, and let's play the game again. And yeah, it's working cool. In the next video we will make our camera for this car and car enter exit system for our player. And don't worry, we will also complete the option panel which we leave in the last video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, so make sure to subscribe and like the video, and that's all. Okay, goodbye and remember me in prayers.